Hello everyone, today is Tablescape Tuesday, and on today's episode I'm going to be sharing with you my simple summer farmhouse tablescape. This tablescape will have some natural materials and soft textures, just some simple elements that will be used to make this tablescape outstanding. So if you'd like to see how this tablescape turns out, you gotta stay tuned. So guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I'm so glad that you have come out, and I really appreciate you. I would love to have you join me if you happen to be new. If you have not yet subscribed, you have to do so. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell twice so that you can see all of the uploads that I have for you in the future. I upload a tablescape every Tuesday with a different theme, and you don't want to miss the up and coming videos. And just for your information, I will be participating in an open collaboration, and that collaboration is called A Night to Remember, a Black and White Affair. And it will be hosted by Creations by Simone and Amethyst Adventures. I am so excited, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that tablescape with you as well. Again, it is on this Friday at 8 p.m., July the 15th at 8 p.m. Looking forward to seeing you there. And there will be other lovely ladies also creating tablescapes for this beautiful affair. You don't want to miss it. So guys, thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful week, and God bless.